All right. Looks like we're stuck in our neighborhood. Check this out. What the hell? Holy sh**. Well, I was gonna go to my parents' house, but this is insane. Look at this. People got this dude has a skimboard out. Look at this. This is the bottom of my street. The town truck. Look at this. That's awesome. Holy crap. Middle Turnpike in Earl. Right down the street from Illing and the police station, bottom of the hill. Insane. Get the kayaks out, folks. We got some water. Wow. Yeah, this is crazy. I don't know what this town truck thinks he's doing, but now he's spinning tires in this person's front lawn. Stuck. I think he was just trying to get to higher ground before his truck was submerged any deeper. Yeah. We got 47 people watching. Yeah, it's crazy out here. But, you know, Manchester folks making the best of it. Skimboarding. Oh, almost took a digger. Skimboarding on Middle Turnpike. Ever think you see that? Go try it? Hell no. This nasty ass water coming out of the sewers. I am not skimming through poop water. I'll watch. Look at this. It's coming from the brook that runs behind yeah, poop water. So this water is coming from the brook that runs behind South United Methodist. So that water bubbling up out of the drain. It keeps yeah, we have power. Damn it. The raindrops keep making the broadcast pause. But this dude's killing it. I'm gonna hop off here for a second. I'm gonna record a video and send it to the news. Crazy kids, yeah, out here just having fun, I guess. What are you gonna do? I'll hop back on in a minute, guys.